Hogi! Hogi's Story Theater. Crunch, crunch, eat your vegetables. Hi, friends! I'm Hogi. Let the story begin. Here we go. Friends, do you like vegetables? Today's story is about Pinkfong, who doesn't like vegetables. Pinkfong went to the market to buy some food.
Pinkfong, do you want to try this broccoli?
No, I don't want it. Wow, ice cream. Ice cream is better than broccoli. Yummy donuts, huh? Hogi, what are you doing?
I got it! Pinkfong, do you want carrots? They're really yummy.
No. There we go. Pinkfong, do you want a pumpkin? Ew! Oh, no way! Carrots? Pumpkins? No, donuts taste the best. I'm going home to eat cookies.
Pinkfong kept eating sweets at home.
No vegetables. I like cookies. Cupcakes over tomatoes. Oh, Pinkfong, don't just eat cookies. Eat some colorful bell peppers. Bell peppers? Ah, veggie smell! No bell peppers for me! I like sweet cookies way better. They're so sweet. Oh, my stomach.
Hi, I'm the potty fairy. You haven't pooed in a few days? I can help you. Shall we poo together?
You can do it! It won't come out!
Pinkfong couldn't poo after all. Aha, I know. Pinkfong, do you know why you can't poo?
No, why?
You didn't eat any vegetables, only cookies. If you don't eat vegetables, your poo gets hard and doesn't come out. Pinkfong, do you want to eat vegetables now? Here, try some. They're yummy.
But they don't look yummy at all.
I'll have to ask my friends for help. I went to Jenny and Pokey, who likes vegetables, and asked for help.
We have a good idea.
Make a nose with a carrot.
And make hair with broccoli.
Finally, beans for eyes. We made a face with vegetables and gave it to Pinkfong.
Oh, wow, what's this? I want to try it. It's delicious.
We did! Friends, let's eat vegetables together. Tomatoes, carrots,
Broccoli, onions.
mushrooms, green onions. Vegetables are yummy and healthy. Eat lots of vegetables to become strong and grow tall. It'll help you poo well too. Pinkfong, now you can eat vegetables, right?
Yeah, I'm going to eat healthy. Eat and chew. Yum, yum. I love to eat vegetables.
After eating some yummy vegetables, Pinkfong had to go poo again. Oh, it smells. Ugh.
Wow.
Wow, Pinkfong finally went poo.
I think eating vegetables helped me go poo. I feel refreshed.
That's great, Pinkfong.
Yeah.
Goodbye, poo. Friends, just like Pinkfong, let's eat yummy vegetables. Yeah!
Now, let's sing about today's story in a song.
Sing along with Pinkfong and Hogi.
Thanks for the meal. Yum, 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 eat it too. Yum, 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 healthy meal. Yum, 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 eat it too. Let's have a healthy meal. Yum, yum. Don't be picky, no, no. Let's have a healthy meal. Don't be whiny, no, no. Let's have a tasty meal. Broccoli, tomatoes, onions, peppers, and black beans. Have a seat and eat well. Let's have a healthy meal. Okay. Chomp, 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 chomp. Eat them all. Don't be picky, no, no. Let's have a healthy meal. Don't be whiny, no, no. Let's have a tasty meal. Green spinach, potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, and celeries. Eating healthy makes me strong. Let's have a tasty meal. Okay. Yum, 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 eat it too. Yum, 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 healthy meal. Yum, 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 eat it too. Let's have a healthy meal. Yum, yum.
Hogi's quiz time! Friends, did you enjoy today's story? I'm going to quiz you on this story. Let's try answering it together. Which of the following is not a vegetable? Number 1, a carrot. Number 2, cookies. Number 3, broccoli. The answer is... Oh, you're right! Cookies are not vegetables! Today, we learned from Pinkfong that if you eat cookies but not vegetables, you may have a hard time going poo, right? Wow, you got the answer right! Great job! Then see you again next time! Bye! Search for Hogi on YouTube!